single leg, single arm, RDL, or Romanian deadlift. So I'm grabbing the dumbbell. I'll show you from the side first. So I'm pressing my foot hard into the ground, pushing my opposite heel down, lowering that dumbbell, get into that glute, squeeze the glute, pop up nice and tall. I'm gonna drive through my hips, keeping my ribs tucked so my core is engaged at the top and my glutes are engaged, driving me through hip extension. Pushing back down through, squeezing up to the top, being in control. So pushing down through, squeezing, coming up. With the foot that is being elevated, a lot of times you'll see athletes open this foot up and their toe is pointing away from them. We want to make sure this toe is being internally rotated into here and it's pointing to this heel. So I'm down through there, pushing back through, squeezing, driving up. So I want to make sure that toe, I'm trying to point it to the heel that's on the ground.